Some of these signs will confuse you. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's start. Traffic merges from the left end of the airway. No cycling. Vehicles exceeding length prohibited. Maximum speed. Hump bridge. Staggered junction. Bend to left. T junction. Pedestrians ahead. No entry for vehicular traffic. Side road from right. No waiting. Ahead only. One-way traffic. No stopping. Traffic merges from the right. Stop. Zebra crossing. No through road. Turn left ahead. Cross roads. Tunnel. Minimum speed. Vehicles exceeding weight prohibited. Cycle route ahead. Road narrows on both sides. Side road from left. Deep. Two-way traffic. No motor vehicles. Steep descent. Road narrows on the left. Road narrows on the right. Bend to right. Turn right ahead. Step ascent. No vehicles carrying explosives. No overtaking. Uneven road. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share, and comment.